Hi guys, let me show you how to crop a photo in a circular way. So for example, we have this photo here. Let's say I want to crop the head here or the face. So you go to the selection tools and you choose this one here, ellipse select. I think that's how it's pronounced. So once you choose it, you make a circle around the face or the thing that you want to select. Let go. Then you go to this one here. It's called add raster mask. You click it. It will remove all other things and will keep what you selected. So now we have it selected here. But you notice we have extra space that we don't need. So to get rid of this, what we can do is go to the selection tools again and go with rectangle select. You make a rectangle around the image that you need, just the space that you need. Then we go to image, choose crop. You press crop. That's it. The extra space has been removed, and this is your image. You can download it in whichever format that you need. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.